In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Monopoly Go on your laptop or PC using an Android emulator. So let's dive straight into it. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. Of course, you'll need a Windows PC or a Mac and an internet connection. Most importantly, you'll need an Android emulator. Some popular choices include BlueStacks, LD Player, Nox Player, and GameLoop. For this tutorial, we're going to use BlueStacks because it's quite common and user-friendly. Start by heading over to your chosen emulator's official website. For BlueStacks, simply type in www.bluestacks.com into your browser. You'll find a big Download BlueStacks button on the homepage. Go ahead and click on it to start downloading the installer. After the download is complete, you'll typically find the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to open, and you'll then follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks on your system. This process usually involves agreeing to the terms and conditions and selecting your preferred installation location. Once the installation wraps up, you're ready to launch the emulator. The first time you open BlueStacks, it will prompt you to sign in with a Google account. This step is crucial because you need access to the Google Play Store to download Monopoly Go. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one. Now that you're all set up, let's find Monopoly Go. On the BlueStacks home screen, which looks a lot like an Android tablet, open the Google Play Store app. Use the search bar at the top of the Play Store interface, type in Monopoly Go, and press Enter. You should see Monopoly Go appear in the search results. Click on it, and then hit the Install button to download and install the game, just like you would on your phone. Once it's installed, look for the Monopoly Go icon on the emulator's home screen. Click it, and you're ready to start playing the game on your PC. Before we wrap things up, here are a few pointers for a better gaming experience. Make sure your PC meets the recommended system requirements for the emulator you're using, as that can impact performance. Emulators often allow you to allocate CPU cores and RAM in their settings. Consider increasing these allocations if you experience any lag. You can also use the key mapping feature to assign keyboard keys to certain on-screen actions, which can be incredibly helpful for gameplay. Lastly, ensure you have a stable internet connection, since Monopoly Go is an online game. Enjoy your time playing Monopoly Go on a bigger screen. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.